Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 17th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we're on the daily time frame, working down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the daily time frame, I still think this is likely going to make a double top at the 90%. There's definitely no reason to think otherwise yet. There's no break of structure to the downside or anything telling us to look for shorts yet. So going all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, we are definitely primarily looking for longs. I personally wouldn't be recommending shorts, and I definitely don't think I'd be trying to go long right near these peaks right here. I mean, they could possibly keep going up, but for me personally, I only want to try to go long on pullbacks, so I'd be trying to go long on all these little pullbacks that I see along the way. So unfortunately, my recommendation right now is to either be waiting for a decent pullback in order to go long, or you're already in a long opportunity and you're waiting for an exit. So for me personally, unless we get a break of structure to the downside on roughly the 4 hour time frame, I enjoy nothing but waiting patiently for more long opportunities at the end of pullbacks. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.